Hey sellers, it's Cody with EverBee here, and today's topic is Etsy fees. Etsy is actually raising their fees 1.5%. It's an increase from 5% up to 6.5%. And in today's video, I'm going to cover this brand new article that just came out from Etsy, and featuring the CEO himself, Josh Silverman. And we're going to talk about, the justification regarding this increase in fees and some of the things that they're going to be doing. So this video is going to be super raw, no editing at all. Just going to go ahead and share the article with you, kind of read through it with you and talk about it. So let's go ahead and share my screen now, as you probably see it. So you probably see my screen now. So we're on Etsy.com. Again, our continuing investment in Etsy's growth. It's published literally today, as the time of this recording, February 24th, 2022. And, at Etsy, we're focused on building a marketplace that allows sellers like you to turn your creativity and passions into real money-making businesses. Last year, active sellers increased their sales by 23% on average compared to 2019, which is great. In 2021 alone, we showed more than 90 million active buyers worldwide, and that's that we showed them that there's an alternative to big box automated shopping. It's cool. It's awesome. Together, we made Etsy the global marketplace for unique and creative goods. What's changing? We plan to make significant investments in marketing, seller tools, and creating a world-class customer experience so we can continue this tremendous growth. To support this goal, on April 11th, we will increase our current 5% transaction fee to 6.5%. So that's a 1.5% transaction fee increase. And this change will allow us to make some improvements in three key areas. One, bringing more buyers to Etsy. So they want to invest more. So last year they spent $600 million on marketing. This year we'll be investing even more, including TV, influencers, tastemakers, billboards, podcasts, advertising, and email marketing that brings new buyers to Etsy. This is good. This is good for sellers, this specific case. The second thing is the support you need. We'll grow our support team by more than 20% this year so you can get help more quickly and easily, including faster email responses, expand access to live chats, and prioritization of your most urgent requests. This is good too. This is a good point. Like a lot of sellers, the common complaint of us Etsy sellers is, it's hard to get in touch with Etsy support. Like they don't have like a big team or they don't have a fast team. So definitely need this. Keeping Etsy unique. We'll build on last year's roughly $40 million investment in teams and technology that will help our marketplace a safe and secure destination for handmade, vintage, and special items. This year, we'll expand our efforts to remove listings that don't meet our policies and help you resolve issues with buyers. This is a good thing too for us Etsy sellers, especially ones following the policy, following the terms of service. In regards to, we want to, we don't want to have these copycats. We don't have these, people that aren't following policies, on the platform. It just hurts us. It hurts the buyers. It hurts the sellers. So I like that. I'm on board with that. We'll also make significant investments in services and tools that will make it easier and smoother to grow your business. For instance, we'll be launching a new seller app with enhanced features that make it easy for you to manage your orders, connect with buyers, and understand how your business is doing. This is all good news for this, specific thing. More insights, the better. As you know, EverBee is a data company, right? So we're pro data, we're pro features that help you kind of understand, how your business is doing, manage your orders, connect with buyers. These are all good things for us Etsy sellers. There's some great things we'll invest in to keep Etsy a beloved, trusted, and growing marketplace. We don't take fee changes lightly, and we believe in these investments will enable Etsy and our seller community to continue to grow. Thank you for making Etsy a one-of-a-kind marketplace. Josh Silverman, CEO of Etsy. Cool. So what are our thoughts here? None of us like raising prices, to be honest. When you go from 5 to 6.5% transaction fee, it's tough to swallow. But the thing that I think of that's the most important is Etsy is investing back into the product, which is basically influences, us as well. They're investing in us. So taking our increased transaction fee and they're investing it back. They're claiming to invest it back into marketing, bringing more buyers to the platform. They're investing in some of the services that will help us. Does this hurt our bottom line? Yeah, it does. It hurts us a little bit, but with inflation being the way it is, naturally our prices are increasing too. And we'll hopefully be able to absorb this 1.5% transaction fee increase, a little bit. These are just my off the cuff, thoughts. Overall, I'm not really discouraged by the transaction fee increase. We know this stuff happens. It's happened before. It won't be the last time. And at the end of the day, it's still cheaper much more affordable to sell on Etsy than it is on any other platform. Just to be transparent, I've sold on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, right? All of the above, and Etsy is by far still the cheapest and the smoothest, platform to sell on. So for me, it's not that big of a deal, in my opinion. The whole idea is that you're going to be growing your business on Etsy. So 1.5% transaction fee increase shouldn't affect you a whole lot. Yes, when you're doing a lot of volume, yeah, it does add up a little bit, but at the end of the day, they're providing service to us. They're bringing traffic to us in most cases, facilitating the transaction, making your buyers, feel more comfortable spending money with you, which again, just helps your business. So I know I'm rambling, but overall, it's not a terrible thing. And I just wanted to bring this news to you guys because it just came out, and I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope this helps. All you EverBee users out there, we appreciate you. Thank you guys for being connected in our community. And if you're on the free plan, I hope you're getting a lot of value out of it. If you are on the paid plan, then we absolutely appreciate you, and we're hoping you're just crushing on Etsy, as I'm sure you are. So anyway, yeah, sign up if you're not on the free plan, on the hobby plan, then sign up free in the link below in the description. And yeah, let me know if I can help with anything else. Comment down below if you have any questions about this. Happy to talk about it, and I'll talk to you soon. See you guys.